Drop your chin hard to try to buy the time so that you can apply the yellow jacket into their arm, and then...
This is easily the craziest accessory for a smartphone that I've ever featured here.
So you can escape to safety.
I'm a little bit apprehensive in general because in front of me is a self-defense iPhone case. It's called the Yellow Jacket, and it is the only backup battery stun gun iPhone case. Like a apparently this thing can put out 7 million volts. I don't know what type of neighborhood you like to hang out in, but you wear it on the phone, and if anybody attacks you, you hit them with the stun.
Any part of the face, the neck, or to the groin area.
Down they go, they leave you alone. It has a secondary functionality of being a battery backup as well. 3,800 milliamp hours of power. That's positive. That's what it looks like, very rugged. Boys and girls, this is a dangerous thing. It is not a toy. Concealed inside the Yellow Jacket is a high voltage stun gun, dual safety mechanism, an ambidextrous trigger so you can fire it off from the left or the right. It's not the battery case aspect. It's not the protection of the phone itself. It's the protection of you from some attacker. Oh man, look at that warning. This product can cause severe injury or potentially death. Never leave it unattended around minors. Only use if you are in serious danger. Mr. Willie Doo is getting nervous over there. He's sitting off camera and he's starting to get a little nervous. This is interesting. They have included a screen protector. I guess if you're into self-protection, why not phone protection as well? This is the teal color, but it comes in a couple of different ones. That's some full juice right there. Mega stopping power. Oh, I think I just armed it. Micro USB cable to charge it up. A little wrist strap so you can keep it nearby. Another warning, if misused. Oh man. So there's an outer case and an inner case. So this is your stun gun portion, and this is the inner case. Just goes in like that. There you go. It's quite a large contraption when you're holding it, but again, you want the 7 million volts, so you're willing to put up with that, I suppose. Brah! Brah! Oh my goodness, would you look at that? That is gruesome. They need to be sharp because if you have an attacker, that has to poke through their clothing. I think you arm it like that. Oh my. That is a nasty sound. A gruesome. That is a nasty. That is a... Nobody wants anything to do with that. If you're some kind of attacker and somebody hits you with that, my goodness, you're backing off. You're moving away. You're gonna wonder what you got hit with. Will, are you sure you want to do this? Don't forget though, that is a clear warning. You want to do it?
Sure.
All right, let's go. Just remember what I said. This is your choice. I want you to tell the camera. Get over here and tell the people that this is your choice, Willie Doo.
It is on me. I'm ready to get stunned. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, man. Are you sure? Are you... What do you say, Will?
This thing's evil.
Oh, man. You want me to do it to you?
Yeah.
This is heavy. This is heavy stuff.
Just don't hold it there, all right?
I'm not... Obviously, I don't want to hurt you, man.
All right. All right.
You got to show Willie Doo some love here. Hit him with the thumb. I want Willie Doo to be fine. I'm sure he will be.
I will be. I think I will be. I hope.
Okay, I'm going to go right there. Okay, ready?
All right.
Ah! Woo! In their official video, they're like, you hit the neck, you hit the groin. But the groin, there's a lot of material there. That's a tough hit. But the neck is often exposed. The neck to face.
Mm-hmm.
Eesh. Here it is, man. Yellow Jacket, iPhone case. Thumbs up for Willie Doo.
Ah!
No. Was it?
It burnt.
I smell burning.
Oh.
Is that your flesh? Jack, are you trying to tell him to take one more? Was that the worst one? Okay, Jack, I'll do it if you do it. I feel like you should give them a feedback. Like, in a practical sense, it's obviously a deterrent. Like, if someone's hitting you with that when you try to grab them or something, you're like, whoa.
Yeah.
What was that?
It stuns you.
It stuns you. So you would back off. And the sound is gruesome on its own. Quick disclaimer here. You're not supposed to be out there looking for fights. This is a backup plan. This is if everything else fails. It's bulky. You're probably not going to carry this around yourself.
No, no.
So maybe you're a female. You walk home, I don't know, on campus. Maybe for that night class, I will probably feel better with this thing in my hand, I guess. I think the covert nature of it is kind of the cool part. And if something were to happen, it's BAM! It's obviously not for every day for most people, but at least they threw the battery in there as well. Put your hands together for Willie Doo, putting his body on the line for the Unbox Therapy family. If that doesn't deserve a thumb, nothing ever will.
Your turn?